Today we're gonna show you how to rehang trailer doors. Let's go and check from the inside. Okay, what are we doing here? Hey, what's up?
How's it going?
Moje witanie. So, first things first. We're gonna put off the old hinges. Oh, looks like they already did. Right now, they're gonna put the new one. Pretty easy, right?
Good.
Alright, try. Alright, solving the problem one thing at a time. Good job.
Okay.
Hinges is done. Nice and snug. All 5 of them. Let's try to put this in place.
Okay, the moment of truth. Let's put it in. Let's go.
Was not easy at all. But all done, all works. Eventually this is how you put the doors in. I mean, rehang the door. Here you go.